Cruising down the road, focused on the journey ahead, when unexpectedly, the battery light on your car's dashboard flickers to life. Understanding the implications of this sudden illumination and whether it's safe to continue driving becomes paramount. Generally, when the battery light illuminates while you're on the road, it's a signal of a potential issue within your charging system. Often, it's associated with problems related to the alternator, such as corrosion or other factors impacting its functionality. In essence, this indicator might signal an issue with your vehicle's battery or alternator system. The battery warning light can be puzzling for drivers. Upon starting your car, it might be alarming to see the light come on, but it often doesn't imply an issue with the battery itself. Sometimes the battery warning light illuminates briefly during startup and then vanishes. Contrary to popular belief, this light doesn't always mean your battery is failing. Instead, it's a signal that your alternator, responsible for charging the battery, might not be working properly. Driving your car with the battery light on is possible, but it's not recommended for an extended period. When the battery light comes on, it often means the alternator isn't charging the battery, and the vehicle is running solely on the battery's power. While you can continue driving, it's wise to reduce electrical usage like the air conditioning, stereo, or heated seats. This helps conserve the battery's power for crucial functions. It's crucial to drive to a safe location because if the battery drains completely, the vehicle might stop running, leading to a potential breakdown. Keep in mind that the battery can power the vehicle for only a limited time, so aim to reach a safe destination promptly. While it's possible to jumpstart your car with another vehicle, this method isn't always reliable in every situation. Additionally, bump starting your car is an option, but remember this method isn't feasible for cars with automatic transmissions. An illuminated battery indicator can be caused by a number of issues, including loose or corroded battery cable, issues with the alternator or voltage regulator, damaged battery cells or plates, and faulty wiring in the car's electrical charging system. It's important to address these issues promptly to ensure the safe operation of your vehicle. An illuminated battery indicator can be caused by a number of issues. Number 1 is loose or corroded battery cable. When the battery cable terminal is loose or corroded, it can prevent the battery from charging properly. To fix this issue, check the battery for corrosion or damage on the terminals. Clean corrosion from the battery terminal, if any, and ensure the clamps are firmly secured. Number 2 is issues with the alternator or voltage regulator. A malfunctioning alternator fails to charge the battery, potentially caused by a broken serpentine belt. The voltage regulator, responsible for maintaining a consistent voltage, might also be at fault. To fix this issue, examine the alternator for loose or missing electrical connections. Look for signs of a malfunctioning alternator. If it's faulty, consider replacing it. Number 3. Damaged battery. A dead or damaged battery could trigger the battery warning light. To fix this issue, assess the battery status. Look for symptoms of a dead battery. If the battery is not charging properly and nearing its typical lifespan of 4-5 years, consider replacing it soon. Number 4 is electrical fault. Problems in the electrical circuit, such as a blown alternator fuse, may interfere with the charging process and prompt the warning light to illuminate. To fix this issue, inspect the alternator fuse. A blown fuse can disrupt the battery charging process. Replace the blown fuse with a new one of the same amp rating. Number 5, damaged serpentine belt. Look for visible cracks, breakages, or complete loss of the belt. The serpentine belt connects various engine components like the alternator. If it's damaged, replace it.